Hello and welcome. My name is Akile. I'm going to demonstrate to you a rhythm with a bit of position change. This, I'm just playing it. I'm not going to explain much, but you're going to figure it out. I just want you to figure it out on your own. It's in the key of C sharp, which is this one here. That's where the key of C sharp is this one here. So let's, without much ado, let's get into the rhythm. I'll put a drum here. So that's the rhythm there. Just to explain a bit, you're in the key of C sharp. C sharp, you may find out it's here. The next one is here. And the bass position is this one. And the next one from this one is the E position, which is this one. The next one is this. So you can find out where we are playing them, because I'm playing this root in this fifth here and this fourth here, and then I can, you know, move on to the next position, which by the way I said is this one here. You can, you see, take a unison from here. Oh, so I start by. Then the next, which is goes. So this is the rhythm groove that you may want, or that you may hear from Zimbabwe. And the good thing about it, it has a lot of techniques that I will show you. The sliding technique, which is very prevalent in this groove, and also the hammer on and pull off. You see, I'm hammering on. I'll explain this one because it's a groove that is worth talking about, because it's got some techniques in there, and there is a bit of rolling on the right hand, rolling off. That's quick alternate picking there, like. And I'm arpeggiating chords. That's the other thing that you have to notice there. Arpeggiating chords, position shift, plus a few techniques, sliding technique, hammer on and pull off, and and rolling off that's the right hand technique. That's alternate picking plus rolling off the pick, fast alternate picking. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. Please enjoy these programs.